Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about importance of furniture in our life. So let's start the video. What is the importance of furniture in the life? Furniture give a complete look to your house, and anyone want to be a perfect home with a perfect furniture. No matter what is the purpose of buying furniture, but imprevently it takes up the majority of space and makes your home feel lived and complete. Your home is supposed to be a solace and contribute a healthier lifestyle both mentally and physically. We know that we need furniture for our comfortable lives, for storage, sitting, and for relaxation. Buying furniture without being planned affects your decoration and overwhelm the space. Choose the right one for your home and office. Not only improve overall beauty but keeps your stress away as well. Here we will let you know that the importance of furniture and its benefit in our life. It is also increase the productivity of employee, loves their job and feel stimulated. Everyone walks to the office that look clean and well equipped, so using the right furniture reflect the nature of your business. Build an optimistic relationship with business partner and client. A well furnished interior not only get engaged with client as well as colleague but also build brand credibility in market. Furniture in home. A home with the furniture not only complete with the home but it covers the major space and a crucial part of interior design. So make sure to choose the right furniture that fit the space and provide warmth in house. When you reach home after a hectic daily routine, the furniture at home eliminates your pain and give you mental satisfaction. A school is an educational institute designed to provide the environment for teaching students and shape the future of the world. So it's important students should feel comfortable in classroom to concentrate on their studies. Furniture not only affect education but also help in paying attention to a physical comfort of a student as well. Hence, furniture play a virtual role in shaping the career of an individual. Every student deserves an ideal desk and chair of reading and writing. Furniture is the first piece of attraction where everyone wants to sit comfortably and feel relaxed. Choosing the right furniture for office, school or home is not only decorate but it also overall impact on our physical and mental comfort. In office, employee need to feel stimulated while working, and home everyone needs a peaceful place to relax. And in school, students sit comfortably to concentrate on the studies. And now we can find out how furniture is important in our life and how it connects to our day-to-day needs. The Avanti Furniture Store provides the most attractive, fashionable and modern accessories for home as well. Related to that, you can ask me anything in comment section. Thank you so much guys for watching. Keep watching, keep supporting, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.